Hello, dear students. I am Rupali Jinturkar, Assistant Professor in Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigde, Pune. Today, I am going to discuss about aldol condensation reaction, which is most commonly observed reaction of aldehydes and ketones. The aldol condensation reaction comes under addition of carbanions. In aldol reaction, two molecules of aldehyde or ketone react with each other in presence of a base to form beta hydroxycarbonyl compounds. Now, as far as this reaction is concerned, two important points are here. Number one is the starting material, that is aldehyde, must possess alpha hydrogen. This alpha hydrogen is the carbonyl carbon. This is the carbonyl carbon to which another carbon is attached. This is alpha carbon to which the three hydrogens are attached. So these three hydrogens are alpha hydrogens. So when such aldehydes that are having alpha hydrogens to them react with aldol condensation reaction to give a product, that is beta hydroxycarbonyl compound. Second important thing is the reaction require basic environment, that is the pH should be alkaline. Further, we will understand mechanism. Step 1, formation of nucleophilic enolate, that is step 1. So here in step 1, the base removes a proton from alpha carbon to form resonance stabilized enolate. Here we can see the hydrogen, that is alpha hydrogen, is abstracted by a base to form a resonance stabilized enolate. Then further in step 2, the nucleophilic enolate attacks the electrophilic carbonyl carbon of another molecule of aldehyde. So this is the enolate obtained in step 1. This enolate is having nucleophilic carbon, electron rich carbon, that will attack on another molecule of aldehyde. So this nucleophilic carbon will attack to carbonyl carbon, pair of electron will shift on oxygen to form a new carbon-carbon bond between the enolate carbon and carbonyl carbon of another molecule, and further protonation of this oxygen will take place to form the final beta hydroxycarbonyl compound. The aldol condensation reaction, example of aldol reaction is shown with propanol as the starting material. Two molecules of aldehyde that participate in aldol reaction react in opposite ways. One molecule of propanol becomes an enolate, electron-rich nucleophile, and another molecule of propanol serves as electrophile because its carbonyl carbon is electron deficient. So here, this is propanol. Step 1 is removal of the alpha hydrogen by the base to form a nucleophilic carbon. Second is attack of this nucleophilic carbon to another molecule of propanol. Pair of electron will shift on oxygen, and later oxygen will be protonated to form beta hydroxycarbonyl compound. Now, it has been generally observed that after formation of beta hydroxyaldehyde, the reaction won't stop here. It will further undergo dehydration to form alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. So here this is aldehyde, that in alkaline condition it will give beta hydroxyaldehyde, and further the hydrogen of alpha carbon and hydroxyl group of beta carbon will be lost as water molecule, and a double bond will form between alpha and beta carbon, that you can see over here. So conjugation is observed. Conjugation means alternate single and double bond. So conjugated product is observed over here due to dehydration. The mechanism of dehydration consists of two steps: deprotonation followed by loss of hydroxyl group. So here we must understand that during dehydration, first is removal of proton, that is alpha proton, and step 2 is loss of beta hydroxyl group. So this is step 1. The base will abstract the alpha hydrogen of this aldol, and then there will be removal of the hydroxyl group and new pi bond will form. So this is about the aldol reaction. It is called as aldol because ALD stands for aldehyde, OL stands for alcohol. So as in the aldol, we can, this is the structure of aldol, we can see aldehydic functional group as well as alcoholic. That's why it is called as aldol product. Thank you.